Thank you all for joining me today. If you are new here, my name is PandA and this is PandA Spot. Thank you for choosing my video. Today I'm going to be doing another Temu haul. This time it's going to be a bit different. We do have a few pieces of furniture that they have just delivered over the past week, and I will be unboxing, assembling, and reviewing with everybody. And we will see what we ordered versus what we got. Everything will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested in any of the pieces. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Did you know that Temu sells furniture? Well, here we are. Today, we have to unbox this lovely dresser. Drawer dresser, made in China. This is what the box looks like. It was purchased through a local warehouse that they now have available. It came in about 2 days, maybe 3, minus the weekend. And I'm going to get it put together, walk you through some of the steps, and at the end we will see what we ordered versus what we got. So here's what we have. This board, which came with the pre-drilled holes. It's nice and sturdy. Pretty thick board. We have some of the braces for the drawers. These are the fabric drawers, which are very thick. These are the feet. Nice handles. They're pretty sturdy. I think they're a little bit rubberized. They feel like they're bending. We have some screws. And it did come with some tools, a screwdriver and an Allen wrench. We have some of these braces. 2 of them. And a bunch more drawers. So I'm going to start putting this thing together and I will update you in a few minutes. So here we have step 1 finished. Got the 3 braces in the middle. Finished. Now on to step 2. So I went ahead and did step 2 and also did step 3. This is what it looks like, and it is upside down. I will be right back with the next couple steps. So the next step explains to put the handles on right here, which are pre-drilled, and I have to use these little screws and the screwdriver it came with. I got to the last step and realized I have these screws, but all the drawers have handles except for one. But here is the dresser, finished. It's not very tall, but I love it. The drawers are nice. To get a little closer, we see they pull out very nicely. There are 6 of them. I do like it, besides the fact that it did not come with the handle. The bottom pieces, they are adjustable, so you can make it a little, not much, but a little bit higher if you need to. What we ordered versus what we got. Temu just delivered a dresser. I have it unboxed here, and these are all the pieces. It did come with the nuts and bolts. It also came with a screwdriver here and an Allen wrench. It has the nice handles and dresser drawers, which are very durable, nice and soft. They're pretty big, and they do have a place to screw in the handles here. If you're wondering, this is my dog Pandora. Say hi, Pandora. Anyway, let's get this put together. It did also come with the instruction manual, and it has each of the steps nicely put out. Alright, let's get this started. I did want to mention that it does come with the pre-drilled holes, so it's easier to put the screws in. Much nicer design than the other ones I've seen. So here we are. We did step 1 and step 2, and this is what it looks like. We got the braces put together. And I'm on to my next step. Here we are in step 4. Got a little helper putting some screws in for me. And everything is going pretty good. Here we are on step 7. It's telling us that we need to put these nice handles on here. They're pretty durable. Just have a couple screws to put on them and they're good to go. So we came across the problem already. We can't get the drawer in. I put these 2 pieces on here wrong. So these pieces have this little lip here and I can't slide it in. And they're supposed to have this. So I have to take the whole thing apart and take the pieces and turn them around. So here we go. I did manage to get it all put together. It took us about 35 minutes with me, 2 little helpers, and my little supervisor here, Pandora. It was pretty easy. I just had that one little mess up. Had to redo it all. But we got it done. Have a few extra pieces left over. And it is actually pretty short. Didn't think it was this short, but that's my fault for not looking that up. But it was a great deal. The drawers slide out nice and easy. Super easy to put together. Nice material. And they all come out pretty nice. The only problem I came across was really hard to get the handles together. But overall, definitely recommend. What we ordered versus what we got. Comfort plus ergonomical armless desk chair. Okay, we got the box here and I'm gonna open it up, get all the pieces out, show everybody the pieces. So I managed to get the box open and these are the instructions. The back side, the assembly. It says that I have 1 seat, which this is the seat. Pretty thick, pretty cushiony. It's zippered on there. We've got a little zipper pocket to take it off. Foam on the inside. Seems pretty soft for $20. I believe this is the back right here. The backrest. It's mesh, see-through. Very sturdy. It has the holes here to put it together. Pretty thick. Very durable. Pretty heavy. The gas lift, which is here. This is heavy. It also comes with the base, which is here. Sturdy. Comes with 5 wheels, casters. It also comes with some bolts, 2 bolts, and a hex wrench. First step, the wheels. Let's see how easily they can glide into the hole. Slid pretty easy down into there. Next step, the gas lift. Goes right in the center here. Just like that. And we have to screw in the seats onto the backrest. The very last step is to put this piece, the base of the seat, on here. And the seat is finished. And then we can add our padded seats. So here we have the finished product. Looks just like the Temu product. Check it out. Very soft. Nice rolling wheels. And a nice back. I give it a 10 out of 10. Temu just delivered from a local warehouse our last item of today. A piece of furniture. It is a lift top coffee table. I will be unboxing, assembling, and reviewing what we ordered versus what we got. It does come with the instruction manual that label out each of the steps in English. Here are some of the pieces that it comes with. These are the legs. This is what helps the lift go up and down to open up the tabletop. Some of the screws and tools that it comes with, the wooden dowels, and all the wooden pieces. Just an FYI, it does come with a lot of screws, but it does not come with its own screwdriver. You have to use your own. So on steps 6 and 7, it is telling you to basically put these little screw holes in to attach the two boards on each side. But it isn't telling you that you have to also attach these into them. So I just wanted to make a note that if you do get this, make sure you're putting these in with step 6 and 7, not just the little screw holes, because it will not stay together. So I just finished step 6 and 7, and here is what it's beginning to look like. This is the inside of the table here. This will lift up, it's upside down, and this will be the inside cubby holes on each side. I did find the screwdriver. It is on the other end of the wrench. So on step number 9, it says to put these things on before you put the feet on. Make sure you angle them out the corner to corner, because it could go either way, but the feet wouldn't stand right. So make sure you're getting it corner to corner. So on step 11, it says to make sure the arrows on board 9 and 8 point to each other, which is these two boards right here. And it shows the diagram right here. And those boards are here and here, but there are no arrows whatsoever on either sides of these boards. Just an FYI. I don't know if I put it together correctly or not, but this is the finished product. It is a lot shorter than I expected. It is really nice. This does open like this. I'll show you the other side of it. Right here, it is opened. This is the finished product. The legs are very short. It opens pretty toughly. Very squeaky. Once it gets here, it will close on its own. This side does not open. It is shelves in here. One side, a shelf here, and the other side is also a shelf. Not too bad. Very durable. Nice and thick, just like the product that you would get at Walmart. Here's the finished product. What we ordered versus what we got. Thank you for watching till the end, and please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Comment on your favorite piece, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. And we'll empty out the box. Whoops! Yay. Don't you just love styrofoam? Whoa! Tumble! And then it says that my stand keeps falling down. They do have the locking mechanism. No, they do not have the locking mechanism. Here. Whoa! Here.